How to fix Instagram not receiving the confirmation code easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps, and now on this page all what you have to do is very simple. Just keep watching. First thing you have to do is open Instagram right here, and right here on this page you will find the app informations. So all what you have to do is just go to the storage, click on this clear data and clear cache, go back, click here on the force stop, and now the last thing you have to do is go to the permissions and make sure to enable all those permissions right here that you have on the app permissions. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.